Hi everyone, welcome back. On today's lecture, we are going to see about the circulating current scheme for protection of transformer, or it may be called as merge price circulating current scheme. So the merge price circulating current scheme for the protection of three-phase delta to delta power transformer, it is against the phase to ground as well as phase to phase fault. So here we have to note that the CTs on the current transformer on the two side of the transformer are connected in star connection. So we should not connect it in the delta. And this compensation for the phase difference between the power transformer of the primary as well as secondary winding. The CT on the two side are connected by the pilot wire and the relay is used for each pair of the CT. So the important note is the pilot wire, the resistance of pilot wire from the primary to operating coil and the secondary to operating coil, it must be equal, or we have to make some modifications or we have to add some adjusting resistance in along with the pilot wire, so that we can able to balance the resistance of pilot wire. Okay, so here this is the transformer and this is the primary winding. This is the primary side of the transformer and this is the R phase winding, Y phase winding and B phase winding. And this is the secondary of transformer and this is the R phase winding of the secondary, Y phase winding of the secondary and B phase winding of the secondary. So here the transformer, it consists of primary side as well as secondary side. So here on the primary side, there are three CT. One is for R phase, another one is for Y phase, another one is for B phase. So all the three CTs are star connected, and in the secondary of the transformer there are three CT. One is for R phase, Y phase, B phase. Here also all the three CTs are star connected. So these two star connected are interconnected. This will be interconnected. And the current transformer in the primary and the secondary, here the R phase is connected with the R phase and the Y phase is connected with the Y phase and B phase is connected with B phase. So now the R phase is connected with the ground, Y phase is connected with ground and B phase is connected with the ground. So R phase is connected with the ground through operating coil and Y phase is connected with the ground through operating coil and B phase is connected with the ground through operating coil. The operating coil is nothing but a relay coil. Okay. So during this merge price or circulating current schemes, so here the current in the primary side of this transformer and the current in the secondary side of transformer, this is the primary side or on the secondary side. So the current in the primary side and secondary of the CT will be compared. Under normal operating condition, the two side of the CT, it will be both are equal, so there is no differential current. So the current flowing through the operating coil, it will be zero. No current will flow through the operating coil, so the relay doesn't operate, so the circuit breaker is in still closed condition. The circuit breaker will not open. But due to some fault, that may be an internal fault or it may be an external fault, if the fault is occurred in a power system or in the near to the transformer or within the transformer, so immediately the primary and secondary of the current will get differ. So the differential current, here the primary is 20 and the secondary is only 9, so the difference is 11 amps. The 11 amps current will flow through the relay coil. So the 11 amps current, which is sufficient, so this should be below the pickup value in order to operate the relay coil. Once the differential current is greater than the pickup current, the relay coil is getting operating and it tripped the circuit breaker by opening the circuit breaker, so that we can able to isolate the faulty section from the various types of fault. Okay. And this is an assessment and merge price protection, which is used only for the substation or only for the capacitor bank and only for the induction motor, or it is used for the generator and alternator, the generator or alternator. So where we are using the merge price circulating current schemes. Okay, and these are the few reference books for this topic. So why the merge price or circulating current is more important in the alternator as well as the transformer means. Okay, so the current will be circulated inside. The current will be circulated inside, so which is mainly to protect the earth fault. There is a earth phase to earth fault as well as phase to phase fault. Okay, thank you.